Hi, it's Ronick. I'm here at Musikmesse 2016 with Stefan from Nord. How you doing?
Pretty good. Good to meet you.
Good to meet you as well. And we're also really happy to meet the new Nord Drum 3.
Yeah.
The new Nord Drum 3P and the Nord Drum 3 as well. You've got two.
Yes. So yeah, we're very happy to present it. Obviously, what we got is the Nord Drum 3P and the Nord Drum 3. The 3P is what we're looking at here, and it's got this entirely new form factor where we integrated the pads into the main unit. So you have all you need in one piece of kit now, which is cool.
Cool, yeah, it sounds really good. I've been playing it earlier.
Yeah.
I'm not much of a drummer, I'll admit that. But
same with me.
But it's just fun.
Yeah.
It's fun to play.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's very, very responsive as well.
Yeah, it's very responsive, and it's very easy to tweak the sounds you're playing at all times. And since we've tweaked the layout a bit of the Nord Drum, we separated the parameters into two rows, so you can instantly get to all the parameters with just one click of a button, and it's very quick to do tweaks to your sound. So I'm not hooked up to the audio right now, but adjusting the bass drum and just going for the pitch of the bass drum, or changing the spectra. So I'm not sure what that's going to sound like, but just the access to the parameters is really easy and quick now.
Brilliant. So how much is the Nord Drum 3P?
Well, in pricing, you mean? Yeah, we're estimating around €699 for the 3P, which is less than the package of the Nord Pad and the Nord Drum 2, which was a previous alternative to this.
Okay.
So some of the other new features that I'd like to mention, apart from the form factor, the layout, is how you can organize your sounds, how you can select sound for your different kit pieces. So of course we have the traditional ways of just switching between different kits, but then if you want to change the sound of the bass drum, well, first we have a stick mode where you can select which pad you want to change. Now I can go to this sound select mode, which lets you listen to the different bass drums that are stored in the memory. It will have a range of preset bass drums, and then it's going to have a range of user sounds as well that you can use to store your own sounds. So navigation and organization is much easier now, building kits and finding the sounds that you want.
Fantastic.
Yeah. Sure. I'll give you a play, and I'll show you a little bit of the other new features. We've done some additions to the effects section, which I'm going to show you now, playing it.
Okay.
So we still have the distortion effects that were on the Nord Drum 2 as well, but now we've added a delay and a reverb, where you can set the reverb and the delay per channel. So I can set the amount of reverb on the bass drum and still have a fairly dry snare, or I can select the type of reverb I want. Right now it's set to a hall. We also have different room modes. So it really gives you a new sense of dimension to the drum sound. The actual components of the drum sounds are still very similar to that of the previous one, but having these master effects, it's really it will add a new dimension. It's the same with delay. You can set the amount of delay per channel. You can set the delay time, obviously. So it's quick and easy to get to, quickly to adjust, and you can have it separate settings for the different channels when it comes to the amount of the different effects. So yeah, those are the new features of the Nord drum.
Excellent. When is it available?
Well, we're estimating June, and so that's what we're aiming for. But it's still a preliminary date, so we're looking at June.
Well, we'll try and get our hands on a unit as soon as possible to review. Definitely around June time, hopefully.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Stefan.